Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and today we're checking out, then test driving this 1972 Chevy Nova. This is a pretty car.
The restoration on this Nova is fantastic.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get in a little deeper and show you guys the quality of this thing inside and out here.
As far as Novas, paint body, interior, vinyl top, probably one of the nicest ones we've had, recently, especially at this price range. Underneath the hood's the numbers matching 307 that I don't think's ever really been out of the car.
Still the 2-barrel.
Yep.
Air conditioning's 100% complete. I don't know if we ever got it blowing cold, but we are selling it as 100% complete AC. Probably needs a charge or something there. Power steering, power brakes, so it's a good option car, but just check out the quality of the paint job. As we look, the fenders were all taken off of it, professionally painted. It is such a beautiful color.
It is. Color's beautiful, interior's fantastic, and this one's really, really priced to sell.
Looks like a lot of the trim and bright work is original D as far as the bumpers go. Check that out. You can see just a few little micro scratches on it, but you stand back here just a couple foot away, it looks great.
Yeah.
So that kind of tells you a little bit about the condition of the car its whole life and what kind of treatment it's had. Another thing you can is just a gap. I mean, you got a really nice gap. The hood lays out beautifully across the top of the fenders, lines up very nicely both sides. Same thing here at the back corners. The hood doesn't stick up at all. Windshield's in great shape. Vinyl top's nice. Just a great car.
It is. I do like that color a lot. It's got a lot of metallic in it. It's like a really dark.
It's like a wine,
yeah.
like a dark wine metallic.
Like a brandy color. It's pretty.
Yep. As far as the wheels go, we had these American Racing wheels sitting here on the shelf. They're 17-inch, 225 45s in the front. We went ahead and put them on it. Looks fantastic. Bottom of the front fender's nice. You see the way the door and rocker and all that match up. One other thing with this, I'm pointing out, there's been one tiny little chip right here. It's been touched up. I don't even know if you can see it. But the bottom of the door matches up nice with the rocker. The quarter panel is in great shape. I'm gonna grab the keys of the trunk ones.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Vinyl top is excellent. Back window looks good. As we look down in here, the back shelf is nice. The top of the back seat is excellent. And here's the biggest thing, the paint quality and just how straight it is.
Yeah, even all the jams.
Like here, this is what I'm talking about. Just the quality. The paint and the door jamb shine and quality is as nice as the paint on the quarters and the rest of the car.
If I were gonna paint a car, it'd be this color. I absolutely love it on this Nova with all that metallic.
Well, it's so nice you don't need no stripes or nothing. It's just a brilliant color. Trunk is excellent. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, make sure you check out the undercarriage photos. That's super nice as well. Not a rotisserie restored car that way. It's painted black underneath. The exhaust is something a guy might want to do something with. It's not bad, but if it was probably mine to keep, I'd dump them out behind the wheels or something. You know what I mean? Kind of like factory. One reason that this car is so cheap, I don't know if you noticed it, we fired up once.
Yeah, I kind of showed it when we went around it
Good.
too.
It has some valve guide smoke. It's been sitting for like a year and a half in their collection. I bought this out of 4 cars. So it does have a little bit of smoke once in a while. You want to fire it up?
Sure, yeah.
But it's the original 307 2-barrel, so that's why it's priced at where it's at with this beautiful paint and body. Nothing right there. Go ahead and give it a little gas. I don't know. It's not. You can see it just a little bit of burning oil. Not bad, but we just wanted to make sure that we point that out. Other than that, this car is fantastic. I make the joke, if I have a big block sitting here, 396, 350 horse, if I would just set this in here, the quality of this car, it's a $50,000 car instead of a 33.
Sure. Oh yeah, because paint, interior, solidness.
I mean, what else do you want? But I just don't have the time to do it. You know what I mean? Look at the quality of the door and the paint job right there. I mean, absolutely rust-free. Door panel is great. Here's the paint quality in the jam. That's what I'm talking about. That's what's making this one different than the GTO we just did.
Yeah.
Total different car in the paint job.
Yeah, I mean, this one, and the interior, the seats, the dash, the headliner, this car should really be a no-brainer. Surprised it didn't sell before we did the video.
Well, yeah, we put it on Friday, but it's a gorgeous car. Bench seat, beautiful dash pad, okay? Steering wheel is excellent. It's got like 1 or 2 tiny little cracks. Sill plates are new. It's got the GM seat belts for 2 in the back. Carpet's new. Headliner's tight and nice. Dome light works.
It's a nice car.
I think we're trying to oversell this, though. I don't think it needs that much salesmanship.
No, it doesn't, but I'm just being honest about it.
Again, bottom of the quarter is awesome. Over the wheel well is beautiful. Look at the way the door fits, the rocker panel, front, everything. Got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, rubbers have been replaced during the paint job. Doors were taking off. Again, that door jamb paint is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the retractable seat belts and it has the overhead seat belts as well. Odometer shows 32,151 miles. No idea how many, 132, 32, 232, no idea on that. Okay, original AM, FM radio is still here. Doesn't work, but it's there. 100% there, okay?
Heater fan works.
Yeah, it does.
I can hear that.
I don't think it's going to take much to do the AC either. You know what I mean? I really don't. Gas gauge works. Only thing that's not working is the air needs a little work and clock, right? I know what you're going to say. That look at that park indicator still works. How many times does that work on these things? Not many. Usually it's just that little tiny little, all it is, a little string cable basically holding it on. What I like about it is even the floor mats and stuff that they did in here, and the carpet, it's just professional. You know what I mean?
Very.
Nice little Nova. Again, 307 2-barrel. But it runs fine.
Yeah, it does run. Yeah.
It ain't gonna spill tires.
No.
But it still accelerates good. As far as the brakes go, were they drum brakes? I think they were. They stopped good. We did do some work to the brakes. Just like all of them when they come in, most of the brakes need work. Turning indicators, turn signal indicators work. When these things are sold, we always go buy them, go through them one more time, make sure all the lights and stuff work on it. Yeah. Other than that, this one's ready to sell, just the way it is.
Yep. That goes down the road good.
It really does.
It doesn't spit and sputter at all.
I mean, I shifted into third at 62. I mean, if anything, I think the speedometer's a little slow since you put those wheels on. Yeah. We're doing more than 50. It was 60 there, but I think it was about 65. Here's our brakes at higher speeds. Again, they're just normal drum brakes, but the power. Get a little pull to the left the first time, but every time with those drums, they just kind of...
Usually the first time stepping on a drum brake, they're going to pull a little bit, but...
Then the third time, they're usually straight on.
Yep.
That's how we set them up.
Yeah.
Just going to ease into it nice and easy. Shifts at 25 mile an hour. Shifts again at 40. Kick downward.
I know you said it smokes a little bit, but
now,
there's no smoke.
It did smoke when it came in. No?
Yeah, boys want to be.
So I just want to be honest.
Yeah, absolutely.
Last thing I want to do is sell a really nice car like that and have a problem with it. Oh, it smokes a little bit.
Yeah, but even like right now as we watch it, there's not no cloud of smoke behind us following us.
But there was a little bit. Yeah. So maybe it'll come out of it.
Who knows? But really good car.
Yeah, it is. One other thing I want to point out, D, it might need the tires balanced a little bit or something. It has just, a 65 had just a little bit of a vibration. Not bad.
Yeah. Okay. Good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.